Okay, so now to make our Jell-O brain with our spaghettis, you're going to make your spaghetti, then you're going to make your gelatin. So this box, you have to add 4 ounces, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this odd-looking tool to whisk it. And then we're going to let it sit for a couple minutes and mix it with 1 cup of boiling hot water. While the water is boiling, you're going to take your brain mold, or whatever kind of mold you want. If you don't use a brain mold, if you're using like a rectangular mold, line it with, I want to say wax paper. It's wax paper or parchment paper? I think it's wax paper. And then it will peel off the Jell-O that way. But I'm going to spray a little bit of oil on it so that it will release from the mold when the Jell-O is ready. Okay? Okay, now we're going to take our boiling hot water and carefully mix it with that. Just keep stirring until it's really mixed good. You don't want to have any clumps, anything like that. And once you think that's good, you're going to take your mold, throw this in there, and when it gets a little cooler, we'll start adding in our rainbow spaghetti. Alright, now that we have our brain and our gelatin in here, I'm going to start adding in our rainbow spaghetti. You want to know how to make these rainbow spaghetti? Go to my page, and under the tutorial section, I will have it. Or on my Instagram page, all the way down at the very bottom, I have it. So, just arrange your strings so that part of it is hanging out, so they're able to kind of like grip it when they're trying to get the strings out. Otherwise, it'll be really tough to try to dig in there. Alright, so here we go. Let's do all the colors. Okay, now that our Jell-O has been sitting overnight, it's hardened, has all the spaghetti, it's ready to be taken out. So remember how we greased it? It makes for easy removal. Now I kind of like peeled back the edges a little bit like that and loosened it. And when you turn it over, it should fall right out. So here we go. There we go. Yay! Alright, so now, it's really hard to tell that it's a brain, but it is. Let me see if I can. Like some squishy brains. So cool. Okay, so then what you're going to do is pull the spaghetti strings out. So that sounds kind of weird, but it's going to be really fun. Like this. Just like that. Okay, now you can do it with your fingers or the tweezers, whatever you prefer. So here we go. Make sure you pull a little bit closer. Oh, this is actually clipping it, so maybe you should use your finger. That one's kind of stuck. Alright, now let me get Callie to come help finish the rest.